also in detail also the reasoning. What could be the reason? DGCA has been asked to give the reports. What exactly Air India has been stating in this entire time after the plane crash, what the engineers of the Air India have stated till now. So it was a first meeting, but yes, the investigation will go on for long. As we already know, there's a 3 months time and the report has to come in after 3 months exactly what was the reason behind the plane crash. So this was the first meeting, but it went on for almost 2 hours. Now all the officials from the meeting have already left, but more to go. We'll get to know soon exactly when is the second round of meeting for the officials to meet in this regard. Back to you.
Absolutely. So this was a high-level meeting that was taking place today in the national capital. In fact, Harsha getting us those details here. Harsha, stay on with us. In fact, we are getting another breaking news. Air India Boeing again faces technical glitch, couldn't take off from Zurich to the national capital even after 5 hours delay. Boeing 787 again faces technical issue. Flight number AI152. Which was going from Zurich to the national capital, and it was to depart at midnight, and the revised departure time was then 5:30 in the evening. Current status is that further delayed due to the technical glitch. Another such incident has now come to the fore. Let me again bring in my colleague Harsha. Harsha, since morning we've been reporting how Dreamliner 787 is under the scrutiny. Firstly, the Hong Kong incident, and now another incident has come to the fore. Give us more details about this.
So if we see, there's not much difference in the timing of both the airline 787. The Hong Kong one was scheduled at 6:20 a.m. in the morning, while this we see it was scheduled at 12 o'clock. It delayed by 5 hours. It was delayed to 5 hours. 5:30 was it scheduled. 5:30 was 5:30 was the scheduled time, and it had to take off. And this is the revised timing which I'm telling you, because 5:30 is the time in Zurich. If 5:30 is the Zurich time, and if we calculate according to the Delhi time, according to India time, the flight already would have been taken off at 12 o'clock, but that couldn't happen. The flight was delayed for 5 hours, and still the flight couldn't take off. It is the Zurich. It is the aircraft Air India Boeing 787 Dreamliner, the same Dreamliner which we have been talking about, is under scrutiny, facing lot of technical issue, and also this plane couldn't take off because continuously the technical fault is emerging in the flight, and pilot again and again is stating that there is some issue, some high technical glitch in the aircraft, because of which the flight couldn't take off. So the passengers have still not boarded. They were boarded twice. They were deboarded twice. They're still stuck at Zurich International Airport. They have not taken off for Delhi. The flight which was supposed to take off at 12 o'clock couldn't take off yet, and it's a grave concern. It's a matter of serious concern if regardless passenger safety is concerned, and about the passenger travel is also concerned. The passengers have been waiting there for long, and they still don't know whether their flight will be rescheduled, it will be cancelled, any substitute flight will be arranged. Until now, there has been no statement from Air India on the overall situation and the condition of Boeing. Since morning, there's the second Boeing aircraft which is facing technical issue in the aircraft. Back to you.
Absolutely. Earlier also we saw a templated response coming in from Air India. In the first Hong Kong incident, they in fact said that inspection would be carried out. But put this thing into perspective, Harsha. Remember, DGCA had said that inspection of these aircrafts would be undertaken. Tell us why hasn't it completed, and why, despite these non-completion of the inspection, why are these Dreamliners still taking off?
This is the inspection has to be done from the side of the Air India and the engineering team as well, which are placed at different locations. The Air India staff and engineers were located at different places, and this is extremely shocking that how we were talking at multiple times. We are also speaking on record that how DGC also earlier stated, given so many show cause notices to Air India, and still they were sleeping on it. They didn't act on it, and And this time again, DGCA on Saturday has given the order to Air India that without proper inspection and check, the Boeing 787, any fleet, be it 787, 788, 789, none of the fleet of Boeing can take off without proper inspection. But in this case, since morning, what we are looking at is that Boeing fleets are continuously facing technical snags. That still means that Air India has not taken the order of DGCA very strictly or very seriously. The DGCA and the Aviation Ministry need to pull up Air India, and Air India is the high time needs to put their act together so that passenger could reach the location on time, so that passenger safety could be ensured, so that the technical issues, the faulty equipments which are in the aircraft could be replaced, they could be maintained or serviced. And I'm telling to our viewers that we are continuously showing this because right now Boeing is under immense scrutiny again and again. We are speaking about Boeing 787 fleet because it's very important to tell the passengers also that how much risky it is to travel in a Boeing. When passenger goes to the airport to take the aircraft, they have to check whether it is a Boeing Dreamliner or it is a A320 aircraft of Air India, because the major issues right now are emerging in the Boeing 787 fleet. All the Boeing is facing immense issues of the maintenance of the technical glitches in the aircraft, which has yet not been maintained, or there has been no statement from Air India that exactly what has went wrong. Passengers have no clue right now. The communication has not been made from the side of Air India to the passengers who are waiting to fly from Zurich to Delhi. There's already been 5 hours delay. They are still waiting that the flight will take off, when it will take off. There are n number of questions in passengers' mind. And yet we have to wait exactly for the response of Air India. That's the intensity and the non-seriousness from the side of Air India. What this we can say at this time, at this moment for now.
Absolutely no comment whatsoever that has come from Air India, and even if it comes, it's going to be that inspection of this plane will be carried out. But Harsha, as far as Boeing is concerned, now this is coming at a day when members of Boeing, their team are in Ahmedabad. They also went to the crash site as well, and in fact 24 hours we are seeing 2 big incidents in which there was a technical glitch. Has any comment come from Boeing? Before I come to you, Harsha, let me go across to Dr. Sumit, aviation expert. Sir, back to back, we are seeing these technical snags are coming to the fore. First, the Hong Kong flight, now this Zurich flight, wherein these technical snags are there. How do you see this? Because this is coming at the backdrop of the Boeing whistleblower also alerting that there are few issues with the Dreamliners as far as Boeing is concerned. How do you see this?
Yeah, definitely it's an alarming thing that back to back only Boeing is getting this type of issues. I think Boeing should.
All right, we'll try and reconnect that line with our aviation expert, but very concerning story now coming in as far as Dreamliner 787 is concerned. Remember, 4 days back, Dreamliner 787 in fact deployed to Air India that met a tragic incident. 241 people have lost their life. After that, earlier today, we saw how another, in fact, Dreamliner 787, it reported technical snag, and now another one incident coming to the fore. Let me once again go across to Dr. Sumit, aviation expert. As I was asking you, back to back, we are seeing this is the third incident of technical snag as well as far as the Dreamliner 787 is concerned. Boeing whistleblower had also said that there are few issues there in Boeing. How do you see this all panning out? In the last 4 days, 3 incidents have happened. Dr. Sumit, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
How do you assess this technical snags as far as the Dreamliner 787 is concerned? Firstly, the deadly one, and then in fact, today there was a Hong Kong flight and now this Zurich flight. How do you see this?
It's been like around 12 years this aircraft got delivered, and most of the aircraft which is is 12 years old are getting this type of technical glitch. I think it's the time that Boeing should get into this and you have official statement that why the aircraft which is more than 12 years old is getting a technical snag.
All right. This is very concerning news that we are getting in. We'll try and reconnect that line with Dr. Sumit Suselan, who's the aviation expert, but a very concerning story that is coming in as far as the Zurich Delhi Air India flight is concerned. Technical problem in one more Air India plane.